guys, so I've retuned my car. Shouldn't hardly get any burbles now. I mean, my car used to shoot a flame, but I could never get it to do that without having some little pops and bangs here and there on my nerves. I don't like them anymore, and I know you guys don't like them. So anyway, the car is retuned, not hearing really any pops and bangs unless they're really small. So like one, there you go. turn right here gets people. Woo. was a good drive. I don't know what that sound was. It sounded like there's something in my brake rotor shield. If there's not a light on, then this car's probably fine. And that's what I love about these cars. You don't have to be alarmed at every little sound you hear. Usually it's just, I don't know, something from pushing the car really, really hard. Smacked my front splitter pretty good, but this car, it's not the fastest car, it's not the best handling car. You know, there's a lot more cars that you can buy if you have more money that are, you know, better than this car. I'm not the best driver in the world, but let me tell you right now, this car is a freaking riot to drive, especially when you drive it hard like I just did. Like, that was, wow. This car is a riot. It is really just a great time. And my car is so not perfect at all. But I still love it so much. Like, it's mine. It's my baby. I mean, I got this roof redone like 2 years ago. Look at it, it's already bubbling up again. Sick of the carbon roof. But this is my toy, you know? I just beat on it and have fun with it and drive it up here and take pictures of it and stuff. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, if you want to see me do more driving, I just don't know what else kind of content to do with the F80 right now, because I've really just, I mean, I've been doing this for years, so the F80 is just kind of not really much left for me to do with this car. So why not do with it what it was meant to do, which is driving it and enjoying it. So anyways, guys, drop a thumbs up, hit the comment section, tell me what a bad driver I am, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.